Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prabhureddy. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject is Introduction to Python Programming, subject code BPLCK105B. And today's topics are Shutil and logging modules in Python programming. Now first let's discuss about Shutil module. The Shutil or shell utilities module has functions to copy, move, rename, and delete files in your Python program. To use Shutil functions, first we have to import Shutil. Shutil module offers a number of high-level operations on files and collection of files. In particular, functions are provided which support file copying and removal. First, we will see how we can copy the files or folders using Shutil module. For copying the folders or files using Shutil module, the syntax is in the first we have to import Shutil, and the second is Shutil.copy2. In the parenthesis, first we have to name the source and then the destination. The first program is Shutil.copy2, source to destination. Shutil.copy helps to copy the files, but the second program is showing Shuttle.copy tree. It helps to copy the entire folder to the new destination. Using shuttle module, how we can move the files or folders. The syntax is import shuttle. In the next line, shuttle.move in brackets, first the source and then the destination is mentioned. The example program is given import shuttle, import OS. In the third line, shuttle.move d colon Python 7.1 PDF is the source and the destination is me in the folder D. Let's move to the another topic, that is logging module. Logging module in Python is a great way to understand what's happening in your program and in what order it's happening. Python's logging module makes it easy to create a record of custom messages that you write. Use it to track events that occurred in software when the software is run. It is also used in development, debugging, and testing, etc. Levels in logging module. Logging levels provide a way to categorize your log messages by importance. There are 5 logging levels. Messages can be logged at each level using different logging functions. The levels of logging are logging.debug, logging.info, logging.warning, logging.error, and the last is logging.critical. Now let's see the importance of logging levels. The first logging level is logging.debug. It is the lowest logging level. It is used for small details. Usually you care about these messages only when diagnosing problems. Second is logging.info. Use it to record information on general events in your program or confirm that things are working at their point in the program. The third is logging.warning. It is used to indicate a potential problem that doesn't prevent the program from working but might do so in the future. The next logging level is logging.error. Logging.error is used to record an error that causes the problem to fail to do something. The last logging level is logging.critical. Logging.critical is the highest level. It is used to indicate a fatal error that has caused or is about to cause the program to stop running entirely. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video and found the information helpful, Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.